Hello students, welcome to this video. In previous video, we have seen what are aggregate fact tables, why we require these aggregate fact tables. Also we have seen a simple example of aggregate fact table and then we have seen limitation. Today we will look at fact constellation schema. So this fact constellation schema is a schema which is used for multi-dimensional model. Actually it is a collection of multiple fact tables having some common dimension tables. It can be viewed as a collection of several star schemas and is also known as a galaxy schema, or it is also called as a family of stars. सो जसं आपण बघितलं की हा फॅक्ट कॉन्स्टलेशन स्कीमामध्ये कशासाठी वापरला जातो तर मल्टी डायमेन्शनल मॉडेलिंगसाठी वापरला जातो, ज्याच्यामध्ये मल्टिपल फॅक्ट टेबल्स असतात. आत्तापर्यंत आपण जे स्कीमा बघितलेले त्याच्यामध्ये सिंगल फॅक्ट टेबल होतं. ह्या फॅक्ट कॉन्स्टलेशन स्कीमामध्ये मल्टिपल फॅक्ट टेबल्स असणार आहेत. It is one of the widely used schema for data warehousing designing and it is much more complex than the star and snowflake schema. आधीचे जे आपण दोन्ही स्कीमा बघितलेले स्टार्स किंवा स्नोफ्लेक स्कीमा त्याच्यापेक्षा हा खूप कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे. आता आपण बघणार आहोत व्हेन टू यूज फॅक्ट कॉन्स्टलेशन स्कीमा. फर्स्ट इज ॲग्रेगेट फॅक्ट टेबल्स अँड डिराइव्ड डायमेन्शन टेबल. We have already seen what is aggregate fact tables. तिथे आपण काय करतो, समरायझेशन करतो आणि त्याचं सेपरेट फॅक्ट टेबल करतो आणि ॲप्रोप्रिएटली आपल्याला काय करायला लागतं, डायमेन्शन टेबलमध्ये सुद्धा चेंजेस करायला लागतात. ओके, सो इन दॅट केस वी हॅव टू फॅक्ट टेबल्स. वन इज अ ओरिजिनल fact tables which contains detailed information and second one is a aggregate fact table which contains summary information or aggregate information. In that case we have to use fact constellation schema. Second is a snapshot and transaction table. So if we want to do the analysis of a particular time period, okay, then that can be done with the help of snapshot and transaction tables. Okay, for example if we want to take a example of what we can say telephone company. Okay, so here we get monthly bill. Okay, so this can be done with the help of monthly snapshot. Okay, so this will contain the information on a monthly basis. Okay, because based on that that particular telephone company has to generate the bills. Okay, so there will be monthly snapshot. Along with that snapshot, this telephone company also maintain the regular transaction table. The next is a core and custom table. Okay, core and custom table means what? There is some customization of the original fact table. For example, in a banking sector, account is a core fact table. Okay, but in account there can be different types of accounts like saving account, overdraft account, checking account. Okay, so along with some basic attributes, there are some specialized attributes also. Okay, so this can be stored in their customized fact tables. Okay, in the center there will be a core fact table which is we can say account fact table, and there will be multiple customized what we can say fact tables like saving account fact tables, checking account fact tables, overdraft account fact tables, and so on. Okay, so this is possible with the help of fact constellation schema. And last one is supporting enterprise value chain. Okay, so first what do you mean by enterprise value chain? When we make any particular product, it will start with the raw material, then we do some processing on that raw material, we add some ingredients to that raw material, okay, and we go on adding the value to that particular raw material to get into the finished product. After that finished product is fully developed or fully manufactured, then we have to do the packaging kind of thing, then we have to do the transportation, then we have to make that product available to different retail chains. Okay, so each step will add some value to that particular product. Okay, so that is called as the enterprise value chain. Okay, so this can be tracked with the help of multiple star schemas. Okay, which contains different star schemas. Okay, which will concentrate on particular what we can say particular area. Okay, for example, production. Okay, so in the center there will be a production table, then there will be a sales fact table. Okay, so and so on. Okay, so we can combine multiple fact tables. Okay, in order to track the एंटरप्राइज व्हॅल्यू चेन. आपण इथे काय करू शकतो, तर जो काही प्रॉडक्ट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये कोणकोणत्या प्रकारे व्हॅल्यू ॲड होत जाते, फ्रॉम रॉ मटेरियल टू द फिनिश प्रॉडक्ट अप टू द कस्टमर. जो म्हणजे रॉ मटेरियलपासून कस्टमरच्या हातात ते प्रॉडक्ट मिळेपर्यंत त्या पर्टिक्युलर गोष्टीमध्ये कशा प्रकारे व्हॅल्यू ॲड होत जाते ते आपण सगळं ट्रॅक करू शकतो. आणि ऑब्वियसली त्याच्यासाठी एक स्टार स्कीमा किंवा एक स्नोफ्लेक स्कीमा पुरेसा नाही, तर इन दॅट वी रिक्वायर फॅमिली ऑफ स्टार्स, दॅट इज फॅक्ट कॉन्स्टलेशन schema. Okay, then this is a simple example of fact constellation schema. Here there are, in this example there are two fact tables, one is a placement and another is a workshop, and between these two fact tables there are two tables which are common, that is first is a student dimension table and second one is the TPO, training and placement officer dimension table. Okay, so this TPO will do the placement of the student on that particular company. Similarly, same TPO will arrange workshop with the help of training institute for the students. Okay, so associated with these dimension table and fact tables, there are number of attributes. You can look at this, like company, there will be a company ID, name of the company, and then offered package. Similarly, for placement, student roll number, company ID, TPO ID, then number of students eligible, number of student place, and so on. Okay, so there will be number of such attributes. Okay, so this is the example of simple example of fact constellation schema. So along with advantage, like we can represent complex structure, there are some disadvantage. Okay, so this disadvantage is mainly the schema is much more complex than other two schemas, that is star schema and snowflake schema. Similarly, it is very difficult to manage and support because we have multiple fact tables and multiple dimension tables. Similarly, we may have modified dimension table if in case of aggregation. Okay, so this is regarding fact constellation schema. Thank you.